VK5BC, VK2KRR. Roger that, Brian. No worries. Yeah, your signal's dropped down there, actually. When you first came back, it was about 52. Slowly coming back to about 5 and 5, 5 and 6 there at the moment. So, yeah, I don't know if you moved your antenna in a slightly wrong spot there before, or if the signals are just dropping back. Tell you, I'm getting a lot of marine tracking signals from around you there too. Lots and lots. The lights are just flickering on the tracking receiver as we're talking there. I can't check it while I'm holding the camera here, but I've probably got close to 5,000 signals coming from the west there overnight. So mostly started about 3 o'clock this morning, I think. So really good. Okay, well, yeah, thanks for that, and I guess, yeah, maybe try and give me a call on, say, 5150 in a moment, 5150. VK5BC at Corny Point. This is VK2 Kilo Romeo Romeo.
VK5BC Corny Point, you're 5 and 9 plus again now, Lee. You came right up. I went and tried and peeked the Yagi a bit that last over, but you were 9 plus there, and well over 9 on the bar graph on the 910 with no press or anything, so that's a big signal, mate. Yeah, okay, well, we can try 5150 and see if we can get the 4 bands in. That'll be great. 5 and 9 plus on 2, 5 and 9 plus on 70, and same on 1296, and we'll see if 6 is working as well. I know the 5 RBV beacon was quite solid there when I listened before. In fact, I can go in the, yeah, it's, where it is on 6 metres, so it's quite strong. And good on the AIS, I haven't had a chance to have a look at that yet, but I wonder what RBV is considering. Okay, mate, you want to see the 150 on 6 VK, 2KRR, VK5BC total.
Righto, yeah, you were up to 59 again there, Brian, and it's just slowly fading back again. Okay, no problems. Thanks very much for the 1296 contact there, and we'll QSY to 5150, and we'll see if we can make it through there. Okay, I'll talk to you soon, Brian. VK5BC, VK2KRR.